Hello guys, I hope you look at well. These are GFX presentation template. This is in PowerPoint format. This is their preview. JPG image is just preview, and here is font information, the font which is used in this, and here is presentation template in PowerPoint. So here this is completely customizable. You can see as you can insert any your image here. Just for example, I'll just upload any screenshot. This is a screenshot, not Microsoft Word. So this is a screenshot. You can see here, and you can also do same with here, and so on. There are almost 14 pages, and each one is completely customizable. You can see you don't have need to work hard to make your own presentation. Just use this template. Whether you are in college life or anyone, you can use that presentation, business presentation, so on. And this data is free to download. You just need to visit my website GFX, and here in this presentation template free download, you can just search presentation free template free download. You can just click on the link in the description, and here in this you can download from here. This is free to download. There are no password in this WinRAR file. Enjoy it. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.